Hello Galactic family. Note as stars, I thought fit to transcribe again this message AVIANS that gives us important information about the ship of Anunnakis, Nibiru, also because the planet X, ARCTURIAN, must already be seen and photographed by people, and monitored by telescopic rulers, nothing speak, yet. In the message of the Pleiadians through Barbara Marciniak, bringers of the dawn capital IV, they talk about the return of this nave and the power of its occupants, as well as the reaction of most people when they enter contact and see such beings. They also speak of what they actually comes to cyclically on our planet, and others. But this information was passed in 1990 to Marciniak, and much has changed, as you can see this message AVIANS, alias, all changes every minute, we changed and we are not aware of it, we could have done a lot, and eliminated much that harms our beloved planet Earth and created more harmony. Note this ship was doubled by the reptilians, the real is our parents, then there is Nibiru copy and true is that the creators have said they would return. Om Rama Anhav. Question where we are in the ascension process? The advent of light will create a number of resonant systems, in different parts of your solar system, in order to create adjustments to the level of the planetary orbits, the level of its sun, certainly, but seek above all to destroy as Michael did in ourselves, the fringe interference that blocks its release. This is fully realized. Left them eager to avoid that this does not play through the vessel that you call Nibiru. Question: Nibiru is a metal vessel? This metal vessel hidden magnetic particles. It is a highly specific ferrous oxide that has the particularity to generate around itself an extremely powerful force field whose goal is precisely attract the souls trapped in the matrix. They have not even need obviously to land on your planet, as beings who do not have carried the ascension would have to be vacuumed, literally, by a process that is a caricature of the ascension, in that vessel. The light forces will come prevented. They will be transferred, not by the Anunnaki, because there will be no more, they will be transferred by us. However, at the end of each cycle into the present, the beings living in this dense dimension came literally somehow, the souls that have gone down this dimension. Tens of thousands of souls were thus trapped and transported to other places. What you must understand is that Nibiru revolves around the planet, a dead sun called Nemesis or Hercules, which is a named brown dwarf. This named brune has an extremely long orbital period, it travels from world to world, from galaxies and galaxy, and not only in its galaxy. Nibiru would, thus gradually and as the times, collecting literally what was produced in different inhabited planetary systems. Question: then 80 disassociated planets are in the path of Nibiru? Completely. Question: is it possible that the galactic wave is produced before 3 days and 3 nights? So, dear friend, the galactic wave already, are you, how to say, fully in, but you're not in the middle. Note: SESTR. We would enter this center from December 21, 12. We are getting these energies, as we are told in recent mentions of our galaxy center. Note of Om Ram: if need be, the 3 days will not occur. This means that already from several months adamantine particles of the galactic wave and gamma rays that are linked to the irradiation of the source, which constitute the galactic wave, are penetrating the periphery of the solar system ever since the summer winter in the southern hemisphere, and now began to penetrate, I would say, the planets of the outer solar system. Whatever DIs are that the effects of the galactic wave are already visible. They are noticeable to some humans, but also for the Earth, through all of what you observe. So the galactic wave, there are dates that were given, particularly the Maya calendar. Of course, there are those who know a long time this time, and they had based all their plan of domination and humanity of slavery-linked cataclysmic circumstances, not the galactic wave for them, but connected to what was called Hercobulus or Nemesis, or is, the dwarf brown nain brune, companion of these solar systems in which we are. So they knew pertinently that every 25,920 years reproduced a cataclysm important on Earth, which destroyed all life. They have then anticipated, because they know this a long time, and calculated, their plan on this anniversary date of 25,920, which fell on December 21, 2012. A date that now many people through movies, through the writings by the researchers know the importance. All the subtlety of the intergalactic confederation of light was anticipating this date to, somehow thwart the progress of the puppets, is not it? That's exactly what happened, as we could for those who followed the scenario, is not it? Eliminate Black Bowler. I love that word, eliminate Nibiru, the vessel of Anunnakis. What was this vessel of Anunnakis? It is a metal vessel of a considerable size, much larger than the Earth, which was in orbit around the Nemesis/Hercobulus, and that, due to the approach of Hercobulus, caused by its rotation and the passage in the proximity of the Earth, a reinforcement of what they call gravitational forces in which you are closed. In the month of August 2009, when there was the delivery of the Metatronic keys, were at the same time, on irradiation range, which was focused is the exact word and condensed, directed directly on this vessel, which was approaching, and it was, then spaced farther away, on the other hand, if they want, where it orbited. What do you mean that never the gravitational compression forces will reproduce this planet? Since that day, from the month of August 2009, the light is established on this Earth.